I doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, well, you're always trying to be better than me.
No, I'm not.
Okay, yeah, yes you are. I have more friends than you, and you have no friends.
Yes, I do. What are you talking about? I have Mayo and Relish.
Okay, first of all, oh my God, it's so cool. First of all, Mayo was my friend way before he was your friend, and Relish was nobody's friend.
They bought me a kiss meal.
Oh, really? Okay, prove it.
I will.
Oh. No! You need to leave that thing alone. It's not yours.
You knew it was my friend's stuff.
Hands off the bottle.
Oh, I'm sorry. At least I can keep my cap on.
What are you talking about, keep my cap on? I don't know what you're talking about. Back. Do not touch the nozzle. Well, at least my name isn't Ketchup. We have to catch up with people.
At least my name isn't Mustard.
That's the last straw.
Oh yeah, what you gonna do about it?
Oh my gosh! Where's my gun? Where's my gun? Where's my gun? Oh my gosh! Where's my nozzle? Don't do that.
Sorry.
You know what? Just get out of here. There's no room for you in the fridge. No room.
Yeah, because I'm too busy being in the trash can because I get used.
Well, that's where you're supposed to be. In the trash can. In the trash can.
Well, at least people use me.
No.